Publishing firm Future could face a shareholder revolt at its annual general meeting, AGM, next month after an influential proxy advisor urged investors to vote down the firm's executive pay policy. Future's remuneration report outlines a base salary increase of more than 27% for finance director Penny Ladkin-Brand, who is set to take home £3.9 million overall in 2020. Read more. Shares in publisher Future drop as chief executive takes £15 million bonus in a note to members. Glass Lewis cited concerns about the significant increase to base salary, and said Future had offered an inadequate response to last year's backlash, when almost a third of shareholders voted against the pay report.Chief executive Zillah Byng-Thorne was granted a 19% salary increase in 2019, but her payout has been frozen this year. She is set to take home £5.7 million in 2020. Glass Lewis said it was skeptical about high fixed pay raises, as such remuneration is not directly linked to performance and may serve as a crutch when performance has fallen below expectations. The advisor also urged shareholders to vote down the firm's remuneration policy, which would increase the potential bonus payout for both the chief executive and the chief financial officer. It comes months after the two executives cashed in bumper bonuses as they reaped the rewards of a period of rapid growth at the publisher, which owns titles such as 442 and Tech. Radar.Boss. Byng-Thorne cashed in £14.6 million in November after selling roughly 1 million shares, while Ladkin-Brand pocketed £7.7 million. The executives have overseen a 20-fold increase in Future's share price over the last 5 years, as the firm has bucked headwinds in the wider publishing sector. The strong performance has been fueled by an aggressive acquisition spree, with the company last year snapping up a raft of consumer titles from T-Media for £140 million. Read more. Media Group Future buys U.S. publisher Smart Brief for up to $65 million in its annual report last year. Future acknowledged the opposition to its pay policy and committed to consulting with shareholders ahead of the AGM on the 5th of February. As a result, a significant proportion of the committee's time this year has been spent on reviewing the existing policy, to ensure that it continues to support Future's strategy while appropriately reflecting market and best practice. Following the company's promotion to the FTSE 250, the firm said. For more on this story, visit the news article link.